Hello traders, you're welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be discussing the currency slope strength indicator for MT4. And in the description below, you're going to find the link to download the indicator. Okay, without further ado, let us just get right into it. So after downloading the indicator, you have to head over to your indicator folder. Okay, when you get to open data folder, you just proceed to MQL4 and then you go to indicators and then you paste the indicator file in here. Of course, you need to extract it from the compressed file, right? Now you get back to your navigator and just refresh. It's as easy as that. And then you check for the currency slope strength indicator. Okay, so here we go. Drag and drop to your chart. Ensure that the allow DLL import box is checked. You can see the customizable settings here. Go through it if you want to modify whatever thing you need to modify, and then okay. Now this indicator is an indicator that helps you to analyze the strength of different currencies, right? As the name implies, is a currency strength indicator, slope strength, right? But it helps you to analyze currency strength based on slope and momentum. Okay, so if you are the kind of trader that likes to pay attention to the strength and weaknesses of currencies, in addition to your price action strategy, then this indicator might come in quite handy. Okay, but remember that no indicator is foolproof, right? So even when you get a signal, or rather when the information being displayed by the currency slope strength indicator is saying something, if you can get additional confirmations, that would be very good. All right, you can get as many confirmations as you can. It's good to always have confluence before executing a trade. Okay, so now if you're not yet subscribed to this channel, you might want to do that now so that you do not miss out on more valuable trading content that we post regularly on this channel. In the meantime, thank you for watching and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.